Long live my nigga AT.
Keep your eyes on.
Long live PJ.
Keep your eyes on.
1090. Big 8.
Keep your eyes on. Bello on the bello.
When my dog died, got the call. Shit fucked us all up. Sitting in the room, puzzle smoking, got us off it. This the price you gon' pay, that's when I lost it. Parted ways with niggas, started showing they flaws and uncut and raw with. Moving with this urgency, can't let them cross me, won't let them off me. This the price you gon' pay, I hear them voices. Blood in my eyes and it's demon full of poison. Know I'm down to ride, know how I feel, bro. Just got me a new Glock, yeah, that's that Gen 4. Niggas on your trail spin the block and let me up the scope. We was in the trenches, busted down the whole quarter pack. Bo just bumped home, told bro fall back. Scoop free too, Walker boy on his way back. I was on the road, going hard, trying to double that.
Bello on the bello on the.
And they like, Spooky, where you been, man? Shit, I had to fall back, get my shit right. Ain't no fun if you ain't got your niggas. But let me tell you something. Hey,
Bello on the bello.
at 12, I was off the porch, in the trenches with big cuz, selling hard, he was moving short. At 13, it was kinda rough. Started jumping in them splices with them blickies, niggas getting touched. At 14, we was getting bucks. 2 for the 5, 3 for the 10, ain't nothing coming short. Hey, at 15, it wasn't even right. It was cold, it was hard, dark roads on them hungry nights. At 16, shit was getting wild. Cuz got jammed, Jit got killed, and niggas playing foul. At 17, had to shake back. Playing ball, living good, know they hate that. Wait, at 18, hate the state facts. 30 days, 30 nights, me and Smooth ran up them racks. At 19, I done caught a charge. Kansas on the way back upstate, shit getting hard. At 20, crackers really sent me off. Max custody locked down, couldn't even make a call. At 21, show them how to ball. From the crib to the panhandle, niggas know I'm getting it off. At 22, can't take a loss. In the VIP, smoking spliffs, know they pissed off. Hey, at 23, started planting seeds. Enough for you, enough for him. Ain't no I, come amongst the team. At 24, yeah, I'm still wild. A Draco, 2 bricks, play crazy and it's going down. But my life, yeah, been real. I can't tell you about no hope, just know, yeah, I been trill. On my kicks, yeah, them M's. Had a dream, seen a rap, now we live. Hey, we live. 1090.
Bello on the bello on the. Bello on the bello.